Hello, everyone. It's Haley from WACEO, and today we're going to talk about Autonio Foundation DAO, or otherwise known as Decentralized Autonomous Organization. And this is a coverage of them that has been made by WACEO. First of all, the Autonio Foundation offers services of trading and crowdfunding and develops solutions to enhance DeFi liquidity. Their solution includes products for liquidity mining, which promotes consistent crowdsourced liquidity provisions, marketing making, which offers tools for market making in a simple, low-cost manner for users. The first topic that we're going to examine is the financial law. Since this DAO is based in the UK, it needs to follow the UK laws. And in the UK, crypto businesses must be registered with FCA, and they also have to comply with AML and CFD regulations. However, for Autonio to comply with FCA regulations on anti-money laundering, it will have to apply Know Your Customer and customer due diligence procedures, which creates a problem because it goes against the privacy policy. By applying these procedures, business has to request the personal information of the users, such as their IDs, their passports, and the photos. And this goes against the privacy, as I've mentioned before, that is promised by DeFi and the mission of Autonio's that is published on their website. Also, another issue that might affect Autonio Foundation is related to the FAT guidelines, which state that owners or operators of DApps are likely to fall under the definition of VASP. And if implemented, it means that users can be identified. And this also, again, threatens the data privacy policy. So moving on, we have taxation law. So the HMRS requests that digital currency exchanges provided with information about users' names and transactions in order to identify cases of tax evasion, which also threatens the privacy of users. As crypto assets are understood as capital assets, those are subjected to capital gains tax, which means that an increase in value will represent a capital gain and CGT will be charged. Our next topic is data privacy. The problem with Autonio Foundation is that their privacy policy is not available on the web page to their users or customers. So what does that mean? It means that it is not possible to identify, for instance, what kind of data is being processed by the DAO and how it is using such data. So this also brings other issues related to data security, which such as the rights of the users regarding data storage and the deletion of personal information. So in return, this means that it may raise conflicts regarding users' privacy and the transparency principle under UK GDPR. Next, we have applicable law. It is unclear which jurisdiction can adjudicate conflicts that may arise in the future. And this is a huge minus because it may lead to different laws that are applicable in different situations depending on where the breach took place. So what does that mean? What do we learn from all of this? When joining a DAO, the members should not only be aware of the technical, but also legal and regulatory risks. It is important that DAOs organize to develop and implement compliance roadmaps to achieve sustainable growth in line with legal and regulatory frameworks. So where do we come to stage? WACEO is establishing a nonprofit association to build a trusted environment where compliance-seeking DAOs can interact with competent service providers to support them with the novel legal and regulatory challenges that DAOs face. These light audits will provide a basis for DAOs to begin to clarify the risks that they face and work as a community to solve them. Thank you for listening to our presentation, and we hope that you're going to take something useful from it.